Welcome to the Sykes & Company PA video blog.
We get a little bit of everything. We get great work. We get train wrecks. Some of our clients have wonderful staff in office that assist us in getting quality information, but others need that coaching perspective. They need somebody to handle the day-to-day operations, and we sometimes bring those train wrecks either full in-house or coach the bookkeeper on tips and techniques to improve the integrity of the work that she's doing. The reason people come to us is they're looking for that assistance. They're looking to improve the quality of their financial information. They're looking to improve the integrity of their books. That's necessary to mitigate tax as far as planning opportunities, whether they need to buy new equipment, whether they're looking to buy or sell additional stores. There's a whole myriad that goes into coming to Sykes and Company. It's not just about your books. It's about how we can help you plan for your future. Most of them are either in QuickBooks Desktop or QuickBooks Online. We do have clients that come to us with other software packages, and we're able to plan and define a course of action to transition them over to a QuickBooks Desktop or QuickBooks Online platform, which is the only platforms we use here at Sykes and Company. Sometimes with the volume of work that we ask for and the initial setup process, it's necessary for the client to just put everything in a box and slap a UPS label on it and ship it to us with tracking. But we do want to encourage our clients to use the secure file portal on our website or the share file, which is also secure, that we set up for them and their bookkeeping staff to feed us information as well. Information that we post out to them is posted securely. Once your books are in shape, once you've got the integrity in your balance sheet, you can begin to use the profit and loss statement to project what your income is going to be, to determine tax planning strategies, whether you need new equipment, funding a retirement plan, what is the tax consequence going to be for the current year, next year once the tax returns are prepared. Our end goal is, number one, education. Number two, we want to make sure that you're getting tax planning opportunities so that you can maintain the wealth yourself versus giving that wealth away to Uncle Sam in taxes. There are different tools and techniques both in QuickBooks Desktop and QuickBooks Online that we use to teach and bring added integrity to the QuickBooks files. We want to make sure that we've got a great path to put that bookkeeper on, because if we're not teaching her, we're failing at our job. But in an instance where a bookkeeper leaves, she retires, we always have that opportunity to upgrade the engagement, bring the books in-house here at Sykes and Company, and have day staff here actually handle the daily accounting. Some situations we get in, we've got a bookkeeper that's never used QuickBooks. Other situations, we've got a very experienced bookkeeper. So we get a little bit of everything, but we can handle most situations. Of course, we can always bring your accounting in-house. A lot of times we get situations where pharmacies are just overwhelmed by the volume of work in the store, and they need that staff person for other resources. So we bring the accounting in here. We can handle it daily, 5 days a week. Most staff members are available to assist on a daily basis. We work in a full team concept at Sykes and Company with full backups in place, both for the daily staff member and the CPA in charge of your engagement. Again, we want to make sure that you have 24/7 coverage. Pharmacists go to school for pharmacy. They don't go to school for accounting. So they rely on us pretty heavily to give them that direction, that path. but it's followed up with an education. Monthly financial reports are great, but if you're not learning from those reports, your CPA is doing you a big disservice.